Inspector General of Police Kanganja, it's Hakainde Hichilema again. I sent you a note just a few minutes ago to allow us enter Nakonde. It's our right to enter Nakonde. We've committed no crime. May I ask you further to stop firing at innocent, armless and harmless citizens. Please do stop firing these guns and tear gases at innocent people. There's nothing wrong we've done. There's no crime we've committed. You are interfering with the electoral process. Please, that's not the role of the police. The police is to keep peace and order. No one is causing violence. No one. We're campaigning in our own country. How do you see us, sir? As Gentiles or as monsters out of this world? Please act now. Show leadership now, Inspector General Kanganja. Thank you very much.